Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.
Hi, welcome back to the garden. One of the things we didn't talk about was watering. When I initially put the seeds in, it was very, very wet. Now watering seeds in this kind of a mulch, it's sort of a tricky situation. When you first open up the leaves, it's very moist underneath. It's plenty moist when you lay the seeds in, you're not burying them very deep, but if the wind blows a lot, it can dry out the top. So it's sort of by feel. If it looks too dry on top, you want to just take a watering can and put just a little bit across them. Not very much. You also have to watch the weather forecast. If it looks like it's going to rain, then it's a tough call to see whether or not you go out and you put a little water on. You really don't want to get them too wet, but you don't want them to dry out either. Anything under the mulch is pretty much okay. Actually, as we go along the summer, you'll find that I very rarely water anything. It's one of the things I like about gardening in a deep mulch. I'll give you an example of just a light amount of water that you want to put down. Obviously, you go by feel, but you really don't want to put too much down at all. Just a little bit to wet the top. We've got a winner! Well, we've gone to the tape, and we've consulted with Riley, and we've got a three-way tie. Bok choy, watermelon radishes, and red radishes. First person that can get how many days it took for them to come up is the winner. Yes, I got excited. I always get excited when the first thing comes up. And especially now that I'm telling the world how I do things, one of the biggest fears is nothing would grow. So far, so good. We still have a long ways to go, and we'll see what we get. But so far, we're off to a fine start. Hey, I really want to thank everybody that's subscribed so far. Thought this might be a crazy idea, but it might just be a cool thing. I sure appreciate you coming along for the ride. Thank you for coming, and we'll see you on the next episode. Leave a comment down below. And hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell also. Give me a like. Share this. See you later. Bye.